If you're looking for serious, reliable heat during the colder months, the Fanmaster IDH3-20 kilowatt diesel space heater is built to deliver. Delivering 20 kilowatts of warming power, this unit gets straight to work the second you turn it on, effortlessly heating spaces up to 200 square meters. Plus, it's backed by a 2-year warranty for complete peace of mind. Powered by direct-fired diesel technology, it converts almost 100% of its fuel straight into usable heat for maximum efficiency. Built with a heavy-duty steel body, the IDH3 is engineered to handle demanding industrial job sites. The smart digital display shows live ambient and set target temperatures, so you're always in control. It features automatic ignition, flame monitoring, and built-in overheat protection. With an integrated fuel tank and adjustable thermostat, the heater automatically cycles off when reaching your target temp and restarts when it drops. Setup is effortless. Just plug it into a standard 240-volt socket. The quick access top cover and included spare nozzle, filter and line kit make on-site servicing simple. Heavy-duty wheels and handles mean one person can easily maneuver it anywhere. Remember, these direct-fired units are designed for well-ventilated spaces. Upgrade your job site heating today with Fanmaster.